Come on. I like my wood. I like to draw smiley faces on my wood. Yeah. I like shoelaces. I like to put shoelaces on my wood. I like tattoos. I like to put tattoos on my wood. I really like my wood.
Sometimes I like to play hide and seek.
Oh, damn it. I like cars. I like to drive cars on my wood. I like to crash cars on my wood. I like skateboards. Oh, God. I like to drive skateboards on my wood.
We should play hide.
I like to play hide and go seek too. I'm gonna go hide with my wood right now. Shh.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not? Here I come. Where are they? They're not under the cat. How's the platypus? The platypus. Not behind the chair.
Nice socks.
Oh, thank you. They're not under the basket. They're not under this Cookie Monster. Oh my gosh. They're not under the truck. I found her wood. Best friend. Best friend.
I like my wood. I like my
This is
wood.
my best friend.
I like my wood.
You don't like me? Best friend.
Come on, Liz, let's go.
Friend. Best friend.
Screw you, I got my wood.
Best friend.
Let go of my wood. Let go of my wood and my shoelaces.
I'm sorry, best friend. But best friend.
No.
Best,
Get over.
best friend.
I like my wood.
She's my best friend.
Get off me, best. I like my wood. Go.
You're my best friend.
Get off me. Get off.
Best friend.
I like my wood.
She's my best friend. This is my best friend.
Get off me, stupid. I like my wood.
Best friend. Best friend. Best friend.
Get off. Get away from me.
I'm sorry, best friend.
Call me.